So what the plan here is, hold up.
I'm still pushing like I'm back to him. Homie spotted me like 700, brought 1100 right back to him. If I can't do it, then it ain't real. I just make dollars, I don't make deals. I've been going hard in the paint, still blowing kush clouds till I can't feel like. Ride with me if you ride with me, you can slide with me if you feel like.
Alright, hey, what's up guys? So in this video I'm going to start designing the bezel to put my Motec digital dash in my factory dash. So I'm going to be doing that by designing a 3D model in Fusion 360 and then having it 3D printed, and then by cutting this factory dash to where I can sink it in there and make it look factory again. The whole point here is that I want it to blend in with the car, you know what I mean? I don't want it to stick out and look off. I want to be able to walk up to the car and look at it with it off and really not be able to tell that it's a heavily modified interior, you know what I mean? I want it to look 70s. I want it to look the part of the car. So first step here is to determine how I want this to sit, right? So I obviously don't want to just plop it on the outside like this. What I really want is to sink it in the dash like that, just like factory. So the plan here is to take a factory. I've got 3 of these dashes. So we got this one that I can use for sacrificial reasons to figure out basically how it's going to work, and then I'll duplicate what I figure out here on my good dash. So the goal here is to take these 2 existing holes, connect them together in a big oval, cut that all out, even cut out this little lip, and then in my 3D print I will create a trim lip in it. That way my cut line gets hidden, but I also need to maintain this thickness to where it blends in with the other aspects of the dash. So first thing I need to do is design this front face in Fusion 360. So to do that I need to create these ellipses. This is an ellipse. See how it's wider this way than this way? So what I'll do is I'll take these measurements. Kind of hard to do one-handed. I'll take that measurement, plug it into the Fusion. I'll take this measurement and plug that into the Fusion. And then what I need to keep in mind is this is going to be the size of my cutout. So I'll need to add that extra trim plate on top of that. And then the second thing I'll need to do is basically design the back plate to create the depth and to hold this Motec. So I'll take the dimensions. Motec sends dimensions with their dash, so you can plug that into your program. See, there you go. This is all the dimensions to this dash. There's a lot of them, so that's going to take some time to plug it all in, but you know, it gives you this top radius, which is a it's a 222.8 millimeter radius and stuff like that. And then it also shows you on the back where all the plugs are, you know, and the radiuses of all the corners and all that stuff. So that's pretty detailed. So I'll need to draw up what this bolts into and then loft that all to where it creates a one single piece that will slide in from this side, hook on that lip, and then I can attach from the back, whether that be epoxy or with some small brackets or however I decide to do that. So first let me start drawing, and then I'll show you in Fusion. I'll just kind of show you how I do it. And keep in mind here, I have used Fusion, this will be the 2nd or 3rd time ever. So I am not here to show you how to use Fusion. but I'm going to show you how I used it. So maybe later, as I get more comfortable with the program, I can kind of show you guys how to draw stuff. But on this one, I don't think I know enough to really show you that. So we'll just show you what I did.